And we're back sa aming hands-on review segment ng the CB Republic. We have here right now the Cherry Mobile Flare XL. So, dami ng flare masyado pare, no? Dami ng daming flare nilalabas, and this is one of the biggest flares that I've ever seen.
No, the Flare XL.
Oh, yeah, as the name would suggest, extra large na talaga. So the specs of this one has itong Flare XL, 5.5 inch yung niya, yung HD screen niya with a resolution of 1280 by 720, while 1.4 GHz na octa-core MTK processor. Then 1 GB of RAM, and then meron din siyang 8 GB of internal storage. Expandable lang ang storage naman ito to 32 GB. The usual, okay? Now, yung physical appearances ng phone, just like the Flare S3. Meron siyang gold. How do I gold? I found gold in the Philippines. Meron siyang gold plated na or gold accent na sa sides. So the combination of this one with the black, it adds a bit of class. Hindi naman siya masyado tama lang yung hindi siya masyadong glittery, or it doesn't look too sophisticated. Okay, it's actually pretty nice. It's a nice touch to the usual black phones ng Cherry, no? So surprised nga ako na ganito yung na gold pala to, no? Kasi noong una parang okay, the usual dark, pero when I held it and looked at it closer, sabi ko wow, may gold pala to, no? And then it's flat, okay? Yung yung likod niya, it doesn't have a curved back cover. I mean, it does have a curved back cover, but it's not too curved, which is okay din naman. Pero although I really prefer yung mga talagang curve, pero it's still okay nevertheless. That's how that's how it looks like. So yung sinasabi ko, medyo may paka-curve, okay?
Glossy gold. Kaya gold na gold talaga.
Yeah, so you have the micro USB slot and the headphone jack. Yun ang the power button and the volume buttons here. Excuse me, at the side, okay? So, alright, software side. Oops. Okay, nawala. Okay, software side. Excuse me. Some of you guys are already familiar with the Cherry Start. Okay, so this is ito yung panibagong Cherry Start.
Mas mabilis, mas smooth.
Yeah, mas mabilis and mas smooth siya, and
mas maganda ngayon kasi unlike dati kasi quad core, 'di ba? So medyo mas mabagal siya than other smartphones. Pero ngayon octa-core na siya. Medyo smooth na siya, and mapapansin niyo naman sobrang no. So nakikita niyo naman shortcuts.
Responsive.
And maganda na yung talaga yung display niya. We have the shortcuts here. And syempre unlock. There we go.
Yeah. So this is a lot better than the first Cherry Start. And bigla na lang nawala akala ko nga that's a regular mainstay pero they removed it, and now we see it once again with the in the Flare XL. Pero then again, it's also being inconsistent kasi bakit wala sa Flare S3 power? And it's not even in the newer Flare, which is the Flare X, which was announced a couple of weeks back.
Which is one of the best na Flare. Could, by the way, guys, you could check out our previous episode of which we featured the Cherry Mobile Flare X.
It's the best.
Well, don't get confused with the XL and the X.
Iba yung X sa XL. Although they have the same size. 5.5 inch din yung screen.
Pero
iba yung ibang level ang specs ng Flare
ibang level yan.
Iba talaga. It's incomparable. Anyway, uncomparable pala. So anyway, so yun nga, back, when you unlock the Cherry Start, okay, well, going back to the Cherry Start, so may mga shortcuts ka dito. Shortcuts mo dito is, for Facebook, for Skype, for weather. You just have to slide and you'll be able to get more those shortcuts to information. So here, yan yung pre-installed apps. Majority of them are pre-installed, and some of the apps here are, well, I've already installed myself, like Facebook. But some majority here are already pre-installed. Okay. Now, this one doesn't have LTE compared to the Flare X.
Unexpected naman kasi MT6592, which is yung processor niya ng octa-core, doesn't support LTE yet.
Yeah, it doesn't support LTE, but it's fine, okay lang, no problem. And what do you call this? If you're really not after the LTE, but you just want the big screen. Yun nga, may survey nga na parami ang gusto ng malalaking screen kasi basta nakakaparod sila ng videos.
Right.
Diba ngayon, marami tayong mga video on demand.
And mga Pilipino, gusto natin yung malalaking display na smartphones.
Yun nga, kasi ngayon, video on demand, mas lalong lalaki. Like iFlix, diba?
Yes,
May tayo sa iFlix ngayon And masarap panood ng iFlix, no? So dito sa Flare XL, you'll enjoy watching videos, whether videos that you have stored on your memory card, or videos that you would be playing via online streaming. The sound, well, it's not that audible, hindi siya masyado malakas. Yun lang yung trade-off nito. But performance wise, this is a pretty good phone, and actually, you don't have to test a lot of these, because it's actually pretty similar with the other octa-core phones that we have used and tested in the Cherry Mobile lineup. So it's pretty much the same as what you're the same performance as the Flare S3 Power, except that this one is just only the bigger size. Flare XL
mas malaki lang.
So sorry, we don't need to demo that. But pictures, you know what? Pictures I'll just post it sa cdronthego.net. I realized wala dito yung memory card. But camera wise, yung camera naman ito is not bad, not bad naman. I've taken photos of the mga close-up shots of mga food. Not bad. No,
Maganda yung
yeah, the camera's not bad. But syempre may bias pa rin ako sa Flare X. But the Flare XL is not that bad. And for its price, a 5.5-inch phablet na octa-core, it's only 4,000 na.
Sulit na.
4,900. Sulit naman, di ba? So, 4,900 ba?
4,999.
Yeah, 4,999. Yeah. So it's the same price. No? So yeah, there's nothing much to say because it's pretty much same as what we discussed earlier.
The S3 Power.
S3
So
Power.
if you want a bigger battery na smartphone, get the S3 Power. Pero if you want a phablet na mura, well, get the Cherry Mobile Flare XL.
Yeah, you can see the full review of the Flare S3 Power sa jamonline.ph, and you can see the full review of the Flare XL sa dronthego.net. So that's it, and thanks for watching our videos, and see you again.